Gambling industry is eager to share its large revenues with those affiliates who really know how it works. In this video, I share the key information you need to know about affiliate marketing in the gambling niche. Let's jump right in. Everybody wants to make big money and live the high life. Gambling is a billion-dollar industry, and the casino vertical is the very opportunity for affiliate marketers to earn some good fortune. Introduction into gambling. How did it start, and why is it so popular? Imagine having plenty of money without having to do any work, money that allows you doing things you would never do. The very thought about having instant cash is so exciting and exhilarating because we start imagining how it's going to change our lives for the better. The net worth of the online gambling industry is about $52 billion. People are ready to risk more for higher wins. But of course, a gambling setup like a casino doesn't get its revenue from winners. It always keeps the upper hand. It means it always wins no matter what or who you see winning big. So, here comes the thought. Why not collaborate with those who always win, the casinos themselves? The gambling vertical is the right place to take this advantage. Offers are surprisingly balanced and will be able to generate some profit for you as long as you keep the quality traffic coming. Win-win. The value of affiliate marketers is continuously rising and expanding. Casinos that are established online are now monitoring affiliates and collaborating with them much more than ever before. Considerable casinos have direct access to the clients who have been tagged as income-generating ones and present almost an ideal noticeable lifelong value. This also means constant substantial pays from the casinos that even include bonuses as time goes by. Casinos are glad and better off having reliable clients who will keep spending money for a long while. As a result, affiliates who are consistent in their bringing really good clients are paid extremely well in the online market that is really complicated from the point of view of clients. This makes affiliates some of the top winners in online casinos and other gambling setups. Shall newbies roll the dice? Working in the gambling niche guarantees big wins even for newcomers. But of course, one must always know the way around the niche to win anything. All you need to do is to find a comfortable network to get better odds and bonuses. So, any newcomer can be a winner in the gambling vertical with the right information and work. Why casinos? Casinos generally profit when newcomers sign up and spend some cash. They also gain when customers commit themselves to the casinos and deposit significant amounts of money with them. In the past, casinos had not seen the importance of the affiliate marketers and failed to capitalize on their value or work with affiliates. But since recently, they have been working with affiliate marketers much more and are glad to reap the fruits. Affiliate marketers need to know how to manage risks but still have access to high profits. If you know what you are doing, you will be able to see high ROIs, especially taking into account those extremely good payouts the gambling niche provides. None of the niches is perfect. Each of them has its ups and downs, but you need to check the verticals that provide an opportunity for you to get high profits and explore them. Here are some of the reasons why you should get into the gambling vertical. Reasons to run casino. Highly potential profits. Stability. High EPC. Big in developing markets. Fast feedback on traffic. Endless payouts. Top traffic sources for the gambling vertical. One of the most important things about traffic sources is that they are all of the different quality and don't work for all the campaigns. One right thing to do is to try them out first no matter what you hear from other market affiliates. When it comes to casinos, there are some traffic sources you might like to try out or consider. Facebook. Nowadays, all of those people working in affiliate marketing understand that social media is a crucial traffic source when it comes to generating money. One thing to know is you can't just make money on a Facebook page. No, it's not as simple as that. But the good thing is that it brings random people from all over the world in one place. All you need to do is put whatever you want on it and add some randomness. Then you will be sure of making some real money. But as you might already know, Facebook doesn't allow anything gambling related. Still, there are exciting ways to use Facebook without any problem. Excellent targeting options. Advertising on Facebook can be smooth as it doesn't only allow you to fill in ages, names, or dates of birth. It also has the familiarity option with the help of which you can reach new people by their similar interests. You can also connect with the clients you already have. This makes it remarkably easy to reach out to the right audience. Strict rules and regulations. Using Facebook to advertise gambling offers is not easy because of their regulations. It means you need to have some more resources up your sleeve. The first thing you need is a cloaking solution. Many solutions are out there, but you should keep your cost in mind because adding separate cloaks can cost high. One good example you can use is the Zoostrack tracking system. Another thing you need to do is to set up ad accounts. But why all this fuss? Well, that's because Facebook dominates when it comes to traffic quality and it converts well too. Summarily, traffic is good, there is little or no competition, and high-quality leads. Google is a little bit similar to Facebook in the way that it has numerous bans on affiliate marketing. Large social media sites such as Google continue to destroy affiliate ads usually without any reason. So, it makes it challenging to advertise gambling offers on platforms such as Google. Against all odds, promoting it there is worth your time because of its good traffic. One last thing to note is that traffic sources keep changing their rules. So, affiliates need to be very dynamic because running casino offers is usually associated with some kind of instability. To sum it up, good target options. Target options for Google are relative because Google is the #1 search engine in the world today. So, you're going to likely get a lot of audience in Google. Strict rules and regulations. Google, just like Facebook, has strict rules and regulations governing them. Solid traffic. Traffic on Google is very high due to its popularity. High competition. Google has to compete with other search engines. High quality. Google's quality comes from the fact that they have little or no bugs at all. Pop traffic. Most new affiliate marketers start their adverts on mobile pop traffic because it is cheap. Pop also doesn't require a high minimum deposit, which makes it suitable for ROI and income flow. In short, the pros and cons are the following. Low costs, not very strict rules and regulations, a high amount of traffic, not so much high traffic quality. Push notifications traffic. Push notifications are another cheap traffic source that is quite easy to set up. It has a low minimum deposit amount, just like Pop. Attention to quality. Gambling offers typically have good payouts, but be attentive to the traffic quality when running CPL or CPA offers with low deposits threshold. Quality is crucial for any campaign, as well as it is essential for the gambling vertical because your job is to find qualified clients. For casinos, this means lifetime value. So if you think you could just be relaxed and succeed to the top, then you've got it all wrong because the money will keep coming, but it will end there. But if you keep bringing quality clients, networks will scramble to work with you, and the money will come. All these offers are stable. So the bottom line is consistently sending good traffic, and you'll have no limit. Network versus direct gambling. For newcomers to the gambling vertical, here are a few things to consider when choosing between working with the direct advertisers or running through a network. Casino via networks. Tutorship from affiliates interested in your progress. Network affiliates are usually interested in your progress because the more you succeed, the more they get paid. Excellent real-time feedback thanks to clearer data. Feedback from networks is excellent due to the presentation of clear and convincing data by them. Networks guarantee protection in case of unfairness. Network affiliates will intervene and pay you from their own pockets if they see that the casinos want to take advantage of you or start mistreating you. Payments from casinos take time, and networks usually pay weekly. Usually, it takes months or even more than that for casinos to pay. Networks will put you on a weekly payment that is more suitable. Direct casino offers. You get the fee in full. Casinos usually propose good commissions. Casinos can easily be found. Deciding on a network or casinos. If you want to choose a system, there are several things to consider. First, you have to choose a system that suits the vertical you are in. For example, if you want a secure system that is versed in the gambling vertical, then GotsHigh is for you. Their affiliate marketers are in collaboration with many gambling offers and have good relationships with casinos over the years. Summarily, GotsHigh has a lot of experience in the gambling vertical. Works only with real-time data from casinos. Deals with large casinos. Choosing the right gambling offers. An offer can give different results depending on the traffic source. So it's essential to have your combination spot on. Choosing the right combination of the traffic source and the offer itself is crucial. The traffic source is not the only thing under restrictions. Gambling offers also have their own limitations. These restrictions can be found in the offer card. It's better to always check these restrictions because violation of them can result in you losing your payment. Casino and gambling offers can be CPA, CPL, and RevShare. CPA requires that clients almost always have to make a deposit. The average deposit amount usually is about $10 for an $80 payment. CPL. CPL will want clients to sign up with credentials such as their name, email and phone number. RevShare. In RevShare, there is an agreement between you and the casinos in which the casino shares a percentage of revenue from the clients you bring for a lifetime contract. RevShare is the most popular payment platform for affiliates. With these guidelines above, I am sure you have an idea of what it means to get started in the gambling vertical. Conclusion. The gambling niche is very lucrative for affiliate marketers who know what they are doing. Make sure that you follow the rules and choose your offers wisely. Not all offers are the same. Some will certainly bring in more profit than others. If you found this video to be valuable, please like the video, it only takes a few seconds. I have a free ebook which you can download instantly, on how I make $3,597 per month with affiliate marketing. This ebook shows you practical ways to generate massive numbers of hungry buyers to your affiliate link. The best part is that these are all free methods. I have included the link in the description below. Also, let me know your favorite tip in this video. I read all comments and respond whenever necessary. And lastly but not least, if you haven't yet subscribed, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you will be alerted when I publish new videos with similar content. See you in the next video. Cheers.